Imagine yourself in this Nissan 2013 Altima 2.5S. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: stability control, security remote anti-theft alarm system, crumple zones front, crumple zones rear, airbags, front, dual, air conditioning, front, single zone, air conditioning, front, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation and airbags, front, side. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.